Hello Moonies, today I'm going to be opening the fan club edition of the Sailor Moon Eternal Article jewelry box. It's a Japanese fan club exclusive and I don't think it's available to purchase in the States. I purchased this off of eBay, so I don't know when this was released or much else. I don't think Toei will be making a replica of this brooch anytime soon, so I'm excited to get this. Maybe we'll luck out and that will change since they're going to be re-releasing all of the replica line that you can see in the picture I've added. I did open this as soon as I got it in the mail to make sure that it arrived safely. So this is the outer box. It says Pretty Guardian. And this is the inner box. It says Sailor Moon Eternal Article jewelry box on the front. And the back has a bunch of warning in Japanese and the Toei sticker as well to confirm that it's authentic. So there is the inside. It has Eternal Sailor Moon and Sailor Galaxia. Here is the Eternal Article. It's a pretty standard compact size. It measures about 5.5 wide and 3.5 long. Here it is opened, and you open to multi-colors in the center and on the wings. It just looks really stunning and pretty. And here is where you can store little jewelry pieces. It says Sailor Moon Eternal Makeup with her eternal tear and stars on it. There's not a lot of items that's made with this design, and I think we don't get enough stars merch. Stay tuned for my comparison video of the Geolocket replicas and this one. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.